Sulabh Supratik comes very late. Okay, maybe power failure. Okay, just have a look and try. Okay, you can take photographs here. Use present tense, okay? Report using present tense reporting verb. You can take photographs here.
He allowed me to take photographs here.
Okay, if you use he allowed me, then in active voice allows there, okay? If you say I'm allowed, then say here. So let's go to next.
Mm.
Okay, let's go next. Don't let them leave school.
They are not permitted to leave the school.
That's
He
right.
said they are not permitted.
Yeah, simply say they are not permitted, finish them. All right. Next, let her sit here.
Uh, she is allowed to sit here.
That's right. You can play here.
He is allowed to play here. He is permitted to play here.
That's right. So let me go to small screen now because I want to give someone else the time. Now your time is over. Who's this? Aditya Bhutel wants to say something. Until then, you just unmute yourself. I mean, mute yourself. Stay silent. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Aditya.
Yes, sir.
What is your question?
So, are we supposed to attach files in the previous assignment? There is no way to do so. Like, how are we supposed to submit it?
If you have submitted the same task once, don't resubmit. Why to submit again? It's a waste of time and for you.
No, sir, there is no file, no place to submit yesterday's assignment. We cannot attach any files there.
Oh, really? But you
Yes,
know
sir.
what? When I use the mobile phone, in the mobile phone, in the Google, there is a way to attach file because you can attach link or simply file. File would be better. Okay. In the mobile phone, I saw it, but in the computer, I don't know. You're using computer or cell phone?
Yes, sir, computer.
My
You
dot-
just have posted
Oh, okay.
an
There are
assignment and not assignment, announcement and material.
Oh, they are in the classroom tab. You please press the classroom tab, and then you get. I mean classwork tab. Okay, you just tap that classwork tab, and then it opens automatically. Both sides I have placed, stream side as well as classwork side. So it's easy. Some of you find it easy in the stream side. You do from there. The others you may go to the right place. Actually, the right place is the classwork place, not the stream. Stream is mostly for announcements and comments. Okay, that's your question.
Yes.
You try that, and if it doesn't fix, then you can just comment on that stream itself. I have allowed children to comment. So as long as good comments are coming, that platform is open to you. If the comments go disturbing, then that might be closed. Okay, let's try this now here. I wanted to allow somebody something here. Okay. Yuna is there. Okay. Yuna, can you hear me? Yuna. Okay, Yuna, can you hear me? I will unmute you, Yuna, now. Now, Yuna, it's you who is going to speak to me. She's not there. She was just here. I don't find you now. Okay, let's see. She must be up there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can hear me, right? Please speak a bit louder so that we can all hear. Because you might be giving the right answer. It might answer everybody question. So let's go down. So can you try number 4? You can play here. Yeah.
You are allowed to play here.
Okay. Okay. Go to number 5.
They are not permitted to speak English in Nepali class.
That's right. Number 6 now.
You are not allowed to use my calculator.
Okay, that's right. So you understood this thing. You can also use other words, not just allowed. Permit also. You can use permit also. You can use late also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Late also. Now, if you have any question, you can ask me. Otherwise, I'll go to somebody else there.
No, sir.
Thank you. So now I go to Opi. Opi Bora.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can hear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. when I saw your profile picture, I was scared that some visitors, foreigners might have come to Pokhara and they must be enjoying a good time there. Okay, please change your profile photo so that I know you. It is you. Okay, Api. So
Yes,
Api,
sir.
you try number 7. Try number 7, 8, 9.
Nobody should be allowed to tell lies.
One thing I just told you earlier, you missed it, right? Nobody should be allowed to tell lies. Okay, nobody should be. So your answer is right, not allowed it. Okay, you said allowed it, that's not the way. Nobody is permitted or nobody should be allowed. That's the best answer except for the pronunciation of the word allowed. So go to 8. You may not skip the class. That means
You are not permitted to skip the class.
perfect answer. Let's go to the last one.
You are permitted to go home.
Okay, that's right. So you all understood these things. Now we might be going to next task, that is invitation cards. Okay, so how many of you know how to write invitation cards, or have you seen invitation cards, especially wedding cards, wedding invitation cards, right? Have you seen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we have seen, we have been to many parties, okay, where we were invited for a kind of wedding party reception. Now let's see here. Certain words you have to take into account, like Mr. C.P. Mishra and Mrs. K. Regmi. So they are using their own family names, okay, not the husband's surname is inherited by the wife. So this family is a very independent family. It believes in social equity and equality both. So you know the meaning of the word equity, Api?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So certain words you have to remember whenever you write invitation card. Certain words you have to remember. So what are they? Let's see. Honor, request. Look at this word. Request, then honor, then your presence. Look at this. This word you have to remember. Your presence. Okay. This word you have to remember. Then who's going to get married? These people. Karuna with Kavi. Got that? And then we also remember son of this and that person. And time also we have to remember these things. Just look at this time. Okay. Time. We have to remember this all names. Now just have a look at the whole thing first. Sorry. Just have a look at the whole thing first. Okay. Mr. PC Mishra and K. Regmi. My internet connection is unstable today. Okay. So it is time and again telling me. So if you don't hear, please raise your hand there. So request the honor of your presence at the marriage of their daughter, Karuna with Kavi, son of Mr. and Mrs. Only son of Mr. G.S. Paudel and Mrs. Anna Adhikari on February 23rd, 18. It was prepared long back in the textbook. It was like that. At Bijan Party Palace, Damak, and afterwards the for reception at hotel. So how many things you are supposed to remember here? Person who's going to get married, people whose children they are, parents, then the lovers, or let's say the fiancé and the fiancée. Okay, then we have to remember the date. We have to remember the place where they are going to get married. Okay, and there is one word RSVP. What does RSVP mean? RSVP. You know what? This question comes on for 5 marks. If you wrote exactly the same way, in the same manner here, if you wrote this, then you certainly get 5 full marks. You get full marks. Let's go down and see all the samples. Look at RSVP means what? Répondez s'il vous plaît. This is a French word. Répondez s'il vous plaît means, répondez means respond, s'il means you, sorry, s'il means you, vous means you, s'il means play means please, okay? S'il means if, okay? That means if you are not attending the party, please respond, please tell us, because we have already ordered menu, a lot of things for you, Last time I was attending a party there in Solti, what do you call, hotel, and it was very, very expensive. Per head, the price was around 4,500 rupees. And in the card, they have written this RSVP. Because if I did not go there, so this 4,500 rupees per person per plate would be wasted. So we have to respond to these people. It might sound funny, okay, but we have to understand somebody's favor, as well as we should tell them in advance that we are not able to go and join the party, so that the number of plate would be less and they don't have to waste money for nothing. Okay, Opi, are you listening to me? Opi? Opi has gone somewhere. Opi, you will be reported to the school management, Sasi sir. Okay, I will tell him, because you're not there. Okay, if you all can hear what I'm saying, please say yes. Click yes on your, all of you, please click yes if you can hear what I'm saying. Okay, that's great. Arin, thank you. Thank you. So that means you can hear. So please, everybody do that, so that I know that you all are in the class, you're taking the class actively. Because after this, I'll give you some tasks. Okay, so Agya, okay, please don't delay, fast. Finish it fast if you're there. Our time is almost over. We got around 5 to 10 minutes now. So that I know, I confirm that everybody is there. Otherwise, you keep your seats open there and you are not there. Don't do that, okay? Be honest students. Thank you. So many of you there, but some of you know the Pratik Acharya. Pratik Acharya, you just say yes. Otherwise, you will be marked absent in the class. You just bunk the class. You can't do that. It's like bunking the class, okay? So he's still Agya Kanal. So let the yes be there. Don't remove it. Let it be there. Agya Kanal is not there. So you will be reported for not being active in the class. And we are taking account of all these things. You have to be sincere, honest. Okay. Now I'll give you some task for the week. All right. Let's go down now. So many of you, I can see Asutosh Thakur, Asim Karki, Asutosh Thakur, Asim Karki. I don't see yes. Asutosh Thakur. Who's this next? Apeksha Dahal. If you are there, you are supposed to say yes. Okay. Don't delay. We're wasting time. Don't waste it. Saksham, you are not doing that. You are marked as absent. Okay, Saksham? Bunking the class. Okay, see it's Saksham is bunked the class. Dalla Koti. Who's next? This one? Samanjit Kumar. If you are there, yes. Samanjit Kumar. I'm writing your names there. Okay. Who's this next? Sujit Yadav. Okay, don't be like that. Come on. All right. So let's go back to the class. Who's this next? Oh, this user is there. You cannot write user and come there. I'm removing you from the class, and then you are never allowed to come back because you violated the protocol of our class. So user, whoever is this user is an intruder. So user is removed. So Zoom keeps your record and you can never join the class again, same class, unless I allow you. User, run away from there yourself or I remove you, okay? All right, user is removed. All right, user is gone now. Okay, thank you. Now let's go back. I was telling you this RSVP, the meaning why we put RSVP there. Next one. Next one. Okay, look at this. It's not so visible, but this is a sample of a wedding card. Sample of wedding card. It's not so visible. Just see who's getting married with whom. Let's see this one again. Okay, see here. Deepa wears Asis, 29th August 2018. All old things. Okay, so come join Deep. Look at Deepta and Asis in celebrating their union. So you can write different kinds of text. You can make it beautiful in any way possible. It's all up to you. Okay, it's all up to you. It's all up to you. Got that? So I'm just giving you some tasks now after this, and you will be finishing. So just make sure that you write a wedding card, looks beautiful. You may put some colors here and there, but don't waste time on this, because you get this task for 5 marks only, not more, only for 5 marks. Okay, so that's all for today. I'm going to tell you something after this, stopping the there. Okay, so the task will be placed on the, okay, all right, okay, so no more. You are being recorded there.